Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Once upon a time, there was a little boy. This boy had a very bad temper. He would get angry over small things. He would shout at people. This made many people sad. One day, his father decided to teach him a lesson. He gave the boy a bag of nails. He also gave him a hammer. Every time you lose your temper, I want you to hammer a nail into the fence in our backyard, the father said. The boy did not think much of it. He thought it was easy. But on the first day, the boy got angry many times. He hammered 37 nails into the fence. His hands hurt. He felt very tired. The boy learned it was hard work to hammer a nail into the fence. As days passed, the boy started to think before he got angry. Slowly, he learned to control his temper. The number of nails he hammered became fewer and fewer. One day, he did not get angry at all. He was excited. He ran to his father and said, "Dad, today I did not get angry even once." His father smiled. "That is wonderful, my son. Now, for every day that you stay calm, you can take out one nail from the fence," said the father. The boy agreed. Day after day, he carefully pulled out a nail. Proudly, he called his father and said, "Look, Dad, all the nails are gone." His father took his hand. He led him to the fence. He pointed at the fence. There were many little holes in the wood. "You have done well, my son," the father said. "But look at the fence. It will never be the same again." The boy touched the wood. The holes were deep. They would never be gone. His father said, "When you get angry and say mean things, they leave scars on people's hearts, just like these holes." The boy looked at the fence and understood. From that day on, he tried his best to always be kind and patient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.